To remove the throttle body, begin by separating the wiring harness for the throttle body by pivoting back the clip, red arrow, and pulling the plug from the mount, yellow arrow. Remove the two 10mm nuts holding the throttle body section of the wiring to the engine mount, as indicated by the red arrows. The throttle wiring harness wraps around the throttle body. It makes the next few steps a lot easier if you remove the cable, red arrow, from around the throttle and hang it outside of the manifold. This will give you more room to remove the 8mm hose clamp holding the bellows to the ETA, yellow arrow. With the lower hose clamp loosened, you can remove the rubber bellows, red arrow. The bellows can become old, hard, and brittle over years, and removing it can damage it in certain cases, so use care. The bellows pull straight off the throttle body, but may need a little force to remove it. Disconnect the small vacuum line from the body, red arrow. Disconnect the ball link on the throttle linkage, yellow arrow. It should just pry off with a screwdriver. Remove the small throttle return spring from the rear of the throttle body, as indicated by the red arrow. In this photo, you can see the disconnected vacuum line, yellow arrow, and the linkage, green arrow. The 4-5mm Allen bolts can get impacted with dirt and grime. Make sure to clean these out before removing. You do not want to strip these bolts. Clean them out and then remove the bolts. With the bolts removed, turn the throttle body on its side and remove it from between the intake runners as indicated by the red arrow. Clean all the old gasket from the surface of the intake manifold, red arrow. The exterior of the throttle body may get dirty, but the important part to clean is the interior walls and the butterfly valve as indicated by the red arrow. Use carb cleaner and give the throttle body a good cleaning. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.